So our bodies are amazing machines. Our brains, they're the best pharmaceutical laboratory for you, especially for you. And there's nothing on this planet that can match what your brain can do for you. In much the same way we respond to chemicals. And I think it's easy to understand that we respond to exogenous chemicals, which is chemicals made outside the body. So for instance, like alcohol. When the chemical of alcohol connects to the chemistry that we have in that moment, there'll be a certain type of reaction. And we all understand that. And we get addicted to that. But in much the same way, every emotion, everything that we feel creates a chemical that goes through the nervous system into every cell and every organ to give information, chemical information, how to feel in this moment so the body knows how to behave. Because otherwise, how would the body know if we had a thought of injustice that's making us angry? How does the body know to be angry? And what does that look like? What's the behavior of anger look like? And it could be tension on the shoulders. It could be tension on the jaws. It is, the flaring of the nostrils. It's that short, shallow breath. It's the eyes. How does the body know to do all of that if there wasn't a chemical exchange giving information? So here's the thing that most people don't recognize about emotions is that we actually get addicted to all those chemicals. And the more you use those chemicals and circumstances, the more the addiction grows. So now you need those people and those circumstances in your life to feed your addiction. So if you've got an addiction to misery, and then you're going, right, I'm going to change my life. I'm going to be happy. I'm going to be grateful. I'm going to be joyful. There's going to be parts of your body that are going, what are you talking about? Do you remember what happened last year when you got cheated on, or when you got this happened, that happened, and you then forget and you start thinking about that because your body is craving the chemical from misery. Starts thinking of the thoughts that make you miserable. You start feeling miserable. The body releases the chemicals. I'm so glad I had that miserable thought. The body gets its fix, but you're addicted. And the thing, like especially when it comes for stress, that we have become so used to it that we don't even realize that we are creating stress. We're thinking stressful thoughts so that the brain can make the stress chemical to feed the body who's addicted to the stress. And this is when we decide to change our lives. It can be quite hard because what we're really changing is that chemical addiction, which is a habit. So part of it is the psychological habit, part of it is the physical addiction that we've got to that chemical. And that's why change can be hard. But what is harder is not changing.